Hello YouTube. This is a quick video on how to lift the front of your X3 so that you can utilize the front jack points to put on jack stands. All right, here we go. Go to the front and you come down right front and center. You look in about a foot and a half from the front of the bumper. You see this circular indentation. That's your jack point, okay? So the circle is about 8 inches across and about 6 or 7 inches front to back. Put your hydraulic jack pad dead center. That is the jack point or the lift point to get the entire front in the air. Okay, I will show you how to remove this so that you can visualize for yourself. It's really easy. There are 4 screws on the front and then 6 screws in the back to get this panel off. And let me show you what it looks like underneath. Alrighty, so after removing the front center cover, let me show you what it looks like under here. Okay, so this little bulge right here, right there, that is where you're jacking up. And if you'll take a peek, it extends. It's kind of like the crossbar that attaches to the left and the right side of the frame of the X3. So this is your design lift point. If you need to lift the front in order to put jack stands on the 2 plastic points behind the front wheels, okay? So I just took off the cover so you can see that it is a jack point. But normally when you go to jack, you do not have to remove that front center piece of plastic. All right, so now the center plastic underbelly cover is on. I'm gonna show you exactly where to put your hydraulic jack. Okay, so you come under here, maybe position the light, and you'll see this circular indent right here. All right, and you're gonna put your jack directly right in the center, and that's where the cross beam that I showed you earlier crosses right through the center. So I'm gonna attempt to do this while filming. Okay, there you go. Okay, directly right in the center. There you go. See? So there it is. And that's how you lift up the entire front at once. For whatever reasons, you need to do a wheel swap or to bleed the brakes or whatever. All right, there you go.